Hey guys, welcome to another PAX S80 terminal tutorial video here with us at ZBS POS. In this video, I'd like to talk about the keypad layout on the terminal. On the top right here, you have 4 soft buttons you can use to make selections. Here you can see I can switch between different modes here and different sales. Void sale, void return, etc. Next buttons I want to talk about are these arrow buttons. These are used to scroll through menu options. For example, if I went to the function menu, you can scroll through these options. Cancel button is used to go back in the menu navigation or cancel a selection. Next button I want to talk about is the function button that we just pressed earlier. In the function menu you can find different functions such as printing out reports, batching your terminal, reviewing transactions, finding them, counter tips, tip menu, reprint, void transactions, return transactions, tip report, and EMV report. The next button I want to talk about is the menu button. Here you can change different settings, merchant settings, operation settings, host settings, etc. Next one I want to talk about is the enter button, this big green one on the bottom right. This is used to make selections in the menus or advance through credit card sales and such. The next button I want to talk about is this yellow one here, yellow-orange one, clear. This one is used for backspace or reverse navigation through menus. And then there's also the cancel button, which we used earlier. Here you can cancel selections, navigate reverse through menu options, etc. And finally, you have the power button on the top left, used for switching the terminal on and off. And then you just have the standard 10-digit keypad layout. And that's it guys, that's the keypad layout on the PAX S80 terminal, and thanks for watching.